The problem that we have is that the clasp on my daughter's purse pulled through the leather. And what we're going to show you is how to fix it today. As you can see, we already cut a couple of holes here, but I'll show you how it's done. And the tools that we need, you're going to need needle nose pliers, small screwdriver, a knife, magic marker. This is a Sharpie type. What we do is take the screwdriver and take the magnetic clasp loose from the purse. We're going to pull the tabs up and using the needle nose pliers, straighten it out. Separate the two parts and use this part as a template to make your holes. So you take this part, lay it on the purse where you want the new holes to be. Take your magic marker, mark the spot. And with the knife, being careful not to cut yourself, you want to cut a hole in here on both sides where you put your magic marker. Mark. Now you're going to use the hole that was already created to help put this together. So you take the magnetic part of the clasp, press it through the hole. That's what it looks like. Take the back part, put behind the material, clip it on. Bend the tab down. Using the needle nose pliers, squeeze it. Bend the second tab, squeeze it. And what you have is a repair.